working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yeah. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about something. Okay, basically this video is more specifically for the ladies, the females. So guys, you might not be interested in this one. I don't know. But we're going to be talking about some feminine hygiene, some feminine issues that us females go through, that we deal with. Okay? So when it comes to feminine hygiene, you know, there's things that women deal with, like itching, odor, infections, BV, yeast infections. Those things are caused by when the pH levels are not balanced. And you know, there's things that can throw off your pH balance, like your period, it could be your diet, sex. Sometimes it could be like using scented body washes down there. Like it can be different things. I don't know, hormone imbalance. So I want to share some products with you that can actually help with all of that. Okay, so this is Boric Life. It's from a company called NutraBlast. It's a suppository, so it will help balance your pH levels. It helps treat your yeast infections and helps get rid of, you know, anything like bacterial, odor, itching, any of that. So if you have an issue with that, that's what this is for. So it's an all-natural boric acid suppository. So basically you insert this in your vagina. You don't swallow it. So they're pills. They look like capsules. They're like this big. They kind of look like a little pearl capsule, and they say Boric Life on them in pink. But yeah, it's like a little pearl looking. It looks kind of pearl-like. So you don't swallow it. It's not good to swallow. You insert it into your vagina. So they also have these suppository applicators. They're individually wrapped. So yeah, it has like an end that like pulls out, and then you put the pill and insert it up there, kind of like you're inserting a tampon. It kind of basically works the same way. So that just makes it easier to insert the pill. It says to use it, well, it says you could use them like regularly just to make sure everything stays balanced. Like, and it says it recommends to use it like a few days before your period. And then of course you could just use it whenever you have an issue down there. And yeah, so basically if you do have an infection or something going on, it recommends to use one a day for 7 days, like every day for 7 days. But it's better to use it like when you're getting ready to go to bed, when you're laying down, because, and then when you use it, you should wear like a pad or like panty liner or something, because after a few hours, it kind of leaks out. I mean, I haven't had any like really like anything major going on, but I used it like a couple of times, like after my menstrual. I feel like sometimes after my period, it kind of takes a minute for the pH, you know, for things to get back to normal down there. I only use it just for 1 day because I don't really have anything like major, but just enough to kind of feel like my pH is back on track. So speaking of that pH, I also got these strips, these feminine pH test strips. So this is how you could test your pH balance. It has a little like chart or whatever on here. So it tells you like what numbers your pH, what range is normal and which range is abnormal. You're supposed to just use a Q-tip and you just insert it into your vagina. You know, just like rub it on the side, and then you rub it onto the pH strip, you can rip it off like that. Yeah, so you could rip it off. The strips are already this orange color, so I think, so basically if your pH is between 4 and 5, that's normal. So 4 and 5 is basically like the same color as the strip. So if it doesn't really change, then your levels are good. And then I guess that's how you can know too if you're like more acidic or alkaline. But anyways, yeah, so that's what the strips are for. So that's cool. So you can like, you know that your pH, you know, especially like after your period and stuff. If you want to test your pH levels to know if you should like use a suppository to, you know, put it back or whatever, you know, or like I said, other things like your diet and stuff can throw it off. But you can just use these strips to check. Okay, and it kind of saves a trip to the doctors, you know, if you need to find out if something's off. Like if you feel itching or if there's some odor or whatever, use the strip to test your pH levels so you kind of know if you need to use a suppository or something. Alright, so then the last product I'm going to show you is this Feminine Balance Complex. So this is a supplement. So it detox and cleanses. So basically it's a probiotic. It says a probiotic with aloe vera. So, you know, this basically will help treat like fungus and infections that's in your gut, which, you know, can infect you getting yeast infections. If you're a person that's prone to getting yeast infections and stuff a lot, then you probably need something to treat your gut. You probably have infection in your gut. You could have candida or something. But basically, this supplement helps with that. It helps with treating fungus and stuff like in your body. It also helps with, you know, balancing your hormones and stuff, because those are things that definitely just mess things up. When your hormones get messed up, it kind of just throws everything off. Doing things like cleaning out your gut, all that stuff, like detoxing your liver, cleaning your gut, that really does help with, you know, getting your hormones better and stuff. Which, because I did some research on some of the ingredients in this. This has oregano leaf extract, 500 milligrams of that. It has caprylic acid, 400 milligrams of that. And it has some other things like aloe vera. Basically, it has like natural stuff. But the first few things are the main things. The oregano leaf, the caprylic acid, you know, the probiotics. Those are the main things that will help with cleaning your gut out. Oregano leaf is a natural herb that treats infections. Oregano is a natural antibiotic. So it basically helps with treating infections, bacteria, and everything. Caprylic acid, it comes from coconut oil. And you know, like if you heard that coconut oil is like a natural thing that can help treat infections like fungus and stuff. Some people use coconut oil to try to treat yeast infection naturally because it does have like bacteria killing properties in it. So caprylic acid is something that helps get rid of fungus. So, like, you know, so that could help like with treating candida and all that. Oregano leaf is something that can also help fight cancer cells and everything. Like I was doing a lot of research on this stuff. Like it's some good stuff. So like all that stuff, like infections in your gut and all that stuff, like affects like a lot of things, like your hormones, you know, infections like candida, yeast infections, your skin. If you have acne prone skins, all that stuff is linked to your hormones being off, which if your hormones are off, it's probably because you gotta like detox your gut, clean infections and fungus and all that out of your gut. And probiotics, that's one of the things that's good for that. And, you know, like I said, it has oregano leaf in it and caprylic acid, and those things are good for infections and treating fungus and stuff. I've been doing like a lot of research on like natural things to help with my hormones and stuff. So I've been taking this, and I've been using this for like probably about the past few weeks now. And for the most part, I feel pretty good. I also kind of feel like they might be helping out with my skin a little bit. I mean, I still get breakouts, but I feel like my skin, because I still have acne-prone skin, which I feel like is due to hormonal imbalance. So yeah, I just been trying to figure out how to get that on track. But like, yeah, just even like certain like body acne that I get, like my chest acne, back acne, I feel like that's kind of like going away and stuff since I've been taking these. I also take other supplements. It would be good to include this into your daily supplement routine. You know, if you take supplements, then this would be something that you might want to include, especially if you do have pH imbalances and yeast infections. Even if you don't, it's just good to make sure it stays that way. Yeah, like if you're a person that doesn't like taking suppositories that insert into your vagina, then at least take a supplement like, you know, this. It's probiotic with prebiotics, and this will still help fight infections and fungus inside your body, which will help keep things down there good, normal, from getting yeast infections and itchy and odor and all that stuff. That this will alone can help with that, you know, or even if you don't really have those issues, but something like this can help keep it stay that way. Also, I did some research on these products before reviewing them, before trying them. I mean, I already seen like a lot of good positive reviews. There's like, they have a website and they also sell these on Amazon. And on Amazon, though, you can see all the reviews, and they have a lot of positive reviews. So I'll link that in the description where you can read all the reviews if you want to. If you want to read all the reviews for yourself first, I'll have a link directly to the reviews. So yeah, I'm just trying to help y'all. I'm trying to help the ladies out there. You know, this is something that you could try if, you know, you have any of those problems, you know, odors, itching, infections, anything. And, you know, of course, there's just natural things that you can do to make sure, to prevent those infections and keep your pH. Like also just drinking a lot of water, eating a lot of fruits and vegetables. Like those things are important. I know it's cliche, like but it's important. Drinking lots of water, fruits and vegetables, just like getting all the daily nutrients that your body needs. Okay, it helps. It helps with that stuff, and that's why I'm taking these probiotics though. I also like to take like a multivitamin to make sure I get all my daily nutrients and stuff. I try to drink water, a lot of water. Like I like fruits and vegetables naturally, and of course, like just avoiding certain things. Like certain like douches. I don't know, like douches, like certain things that are not really natural. Certain fragrances and stuff, like and I know like everybody's body is different. Like some people are even more sensitive down there, especially when it comes to using something with a fragrance. Like I know some of those body washes like Summer's Eve and stuff, like they have fragrances. So they don't bother some people. Some people are too sensitive to that, so they don't use them. So yeah, like I said, just drinking water, trying to eat healthy. Those are things obviously that are natural. Keeping your gut cleaned out, your liver good, and all that. Those are things that will kind of naturally help keep everything else good. Everything, your skin, everything. So I have a link where you can purchase these products if you're interested. Oh yeah, and make sure, like I said, this is a suppository. Do not put it in your mouth. This is the one that goes in your mouth. So I would suggest to kind of like keep these separate. Like don't keep this where you normally would keep your supplements, because you don't want to accidentally take this. Like, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, if you're interested in these, I will have a link that you can go to where you could purchase. If you purchase directly through that link, you will get a 20% off discount. NutraBlast are very confident that this product works. So if you purchase the products and you're not satisfied, they have a 100% money back guarantee. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it. I think I covered everything that I want to talk about in this video. So, if you have any questions, concerns, leave me some comments below. And don't forget to check out the links. 20% off discount if you're interested. You can check out the reviews, all that. Check the links in the description. And yeah, give this video a like if you liked it. If it was helpful, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.